Okay, so in this video, we're going to take a little bit closer look at graphing the inequalities on a number line and what that looks like. So first, in order to do that, we're going to take a deeper look at the inequalities. So boom, 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 boom. So naturally, we have our four inequalities: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. All right, so again, like I said before in the previous video, make sure you're using the hand trick if you don't have those memorized. And again, I will be the first to admit I do not have those memorized, and I often use the hand trick to tell them apart. So when you are graphing the infinite number of solutions on a number line, if you're dealing with an inequality that has a less than or a greater than symbol, you are going to use open circles, or circles that are not filled in. When you are graphing inequalities that have the or equal to component to it, so less than or equal to and greater than or equal to, you are going to use filled in circles. And that has to do with whether or not the number on the other side of the inequality is included or is not included in the solution set. So when it's filled in, it is not included. I did that too much. INCLUDED, included. And when you're dealing with a filled in circle, it is included. And when we're saying included, we mean in the solution set. You know, that set of numbers, that set of infinite numbers that makes the solution or the inequality true, I mean. So, for example, what we mean by that is if you have this statement versus this statement, in one of these situations, the answer is true, or the answer is, in one of these situations, it's a true statement, and in the other, it's a false statement. And that's what we mean by having to do with included and not included in the solution set. Over here on this one, on the left-hand side, we have 3 is less than 3. That is not true. That is false, which would mean that 3 is not included in the solution set. Whereas over here, in this example, when we're dealing with less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, 3 is less than or equal to 3. That is actually a true statement because simply of that or equal to.